Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert date and time in publisher header. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to insert date and time. In footer, go to the insert menu. Then select the header option. Now we can see here already inserted a text box. Then we go to the insert menu and select the date and time option, and we can see here many date and time. You can insert any. Now I select this and click the automatically update option, then click OK. Now we can see we insert a date and time. Then go back the master page option, select close master page, then zoom out this document and check all page. We can see we insert date and time to this header very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.